If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on SoundCloud, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the SoundCloud login page. Go to the SoundCloud website and click on the login option. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or two-factor authentication section. This is where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 4. Choose to reset two-factor authentication. Select the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to verify your identity through email or another method. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. This may involve confirming your email address or entering a verification code sent to your registered phone number. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on SoundCloud. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for further assistance.